Remember the Nexus 5? Nexus 5 was the last flagship from Google which brought pure Android experience at an affordable price. A lot of other Nexus phones launched after that, but they were very pricey and not value for money. Well, the Pixel 3a is coming now, and that could be the budget Pixel we have been waiting for. Hey guys, this is Vibhav and you're watching VibsTech. I've been very busy last month, so I couldn't upload videos on my channel, but now you will get videos every week, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's get started. So affordable Pixel is finally becoming a reality. It's time to take a closer look at Pixel 3a, which could be the perfect budget flagship camera phone for India. So recently this happened. This is the official Google website which accidentally listed the upcoming Pixel 3a, and thus it's confirming that the actual affordable Pixel is coming. So the budget Pixel, previously known as Pixel 3 Lite, is real. And this is how Pixel 3a and 3a XL look like. These are the leaks and renders, but with so many leaks, this should be the Pixel 3a. And you know what? I like the fact that Pixel 3a and 3a XL don't have that annoying big notch. And the design is straightforward how it should be. I know it has big bezels, but it don't look bad either. Apart from the large bezels, it has same design as Pixel 3, and one thing I really liked about Pixel 3a, and that's this. Yes, every leak so far showed that the Pixel 3a will come with a headphone jack, and that is awesome. I seriously don't like how companies are removing headphone jack from their flagships. Even Pixel 3 don't have one. But now with Pixel 3a you get headphone jack, which is always a good thing. Now coming to the specs of the phone, take a look at the Pixel 3a and 3a XL, and both of the phones seem to have decent specs. Like the Pixel 3 and 3 XL, these have OLED displays, same 8MP front camera and the same big performer 12MP rear camera. Even the battery and RAM choices are similar. But what makes Pixel 3a mid-ranger is the choice of their processor. So there's no top of the line processor. Pixel 3a is rumored to come with the Snapdragon 670 processor, and the Pixel 3a XL is said to be coming either with Snapdragon 730 or the same 670 processor. So obviously their processors are no match when compared to Snapdragon 855. And the performance of the Pixel 3a would not be the flagship grade. But what makes this mid-range phone different and bringing thing no other mid-range phone has, and that is flagship grade camera performance, Pixel software experience and timely Android updates. No phone 20,000-30,000 offer this, and this is why Pixel 3a seemed like a great smartphone. Let me talk about cameras first. Report and rumors suggest that the Pixel 3a will bring the same flagship grade Pixel 3 camera to their mid-rangers. The same camera performance and the same features like night sight, and it will perform exactly the Pixel 3 camera. And we all know what that means. Mind-blowing low light photos, portrait photos and amazing videos. But rumors have also mentioned that the camera app on Pixel 3a isn't as fast as camera app on Pixel 3, but the picture quality would be as good as Pixel 3. So it should be okay with that. It's not just the cameras. With Pixel 3a, more people will be able to enjoy the stock Android Pixel experience, which means some nice Pixel exclusive features and updates the day when they are available, which is honestly amazing. Pixel 3a is said to come with Android Pie on board, but I'm sure whenever Android Q stable version releases, Pixel 3a will be one of the first phone to get it, and I think that is great with mid-range smartphone. So this phone has flagship level specs, great cameras and software experience from Google. That reminds me of Nexus 5. The Nexus 5 flagship level phone from Google in 2013 was an amazing smartphone at around 29,000 rupees. And now Pixel 3a with all its features and the same price point could be a great offering. According to the report, Google has been testing Pixel 3a in India and its import detail value is around $300. But when Pixel 3a does arrive in India, the expected price could be around 25,000 to 27,000 rupees. And even at that price, I think the Pixel 3a can be a great smartphone. I mean, this obviously would not match the performance of other flagships, but the Pixel camera can raise this phone in the market. And this could be the Nexus 5 of 2019. Pixel 3a should be announced at Google I/O, which starts on May 7th, as it's showed on Google's own ad, and it says on May 7th something big is coming to the Pixel universe. So tell us your thoughts in comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech videos. That's me signing off, and I will see you in the next one.